Welcome back to another construction update. I am Construction Carol, and here at the library, not a whole ton has changed on the exterior portion of our building, but you gotta see what's going on inside. Come on. A major portion of our drywall has been installed, and so has a lot of our ductwork. If you have visited our library anytime recently, you probably noticed that our back window off of the south side is now replaced with some white board. That's because the windows got transferred out here. Stay tuned for more updates from Construction Carol. Ooh, there's a whole ton of turkeys.
Now say gobble, gobble, gobble.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
And strut, strut, strut.